The capybara, Hydrochoerus is a large rodent of the genus Hydrochoerus, of which the only other extant member is the lesser capybara, Hydrochoerus isthmius. The capybara is the largest rodent in the world. Native to South America, the capybara inhabits savannas and dense forests, and lives near bodies of water. The capybara is not a threatened species and is hunted for its meat and hide, and also for a grease from its thick fatty skin which is used in the pharmaceutical trade. The living capybaras and their extinct relatives were previously classified in their own family Hydrochaeris.
Paleontological classifications have yet to incorporate this new taxonomy and continue to use Hydrochoeridae for all capybaras, while using Hydrochoerini for the living genus and its closest fossil relatives, such as Hydrochoerus. The capybara has a heavy, barrel-shaped body and short head, with reddish-brown fur on the upper part of its body that turns yellowish-brown underneath. Its sweat glands can be found in the surface of the hairy portions of its skin, an unusual trait among rodents. Adult capybaras grow to 162 in length, stand 50 to tall at the withers, and typically weigh 35 to, with an average in the Venezuelan llanos of 48.9 kilograms.
The top recorded weights are 91 kilograms for a wild female from Brazil and 73.5 kilograms for a wild male from Uruguay. The dental formula is: capybaras have slightly webbed feet and vestigial tails. While they eat grass during the wet season, they have to switch to more abundant reeds during the dry season.
Plants that capybaras eat during the summer lose their nutritional value in the winter, so are not consumed at that time. Capybaras are autocoprophagous, meaning they eat their own feces as a source of bacterial gut flora, to help digest the cellulose in the grass that forms their normal diet, and to extract the maximum protein and vitamins from their food. Capybara groups can consist of as many as 50 or 100 individuals during the dry season, when the animals gather around available water sources.
Both sexes have these glands, but males have much larger morillons and use their anal glands more frequently. Capybaras can spread their scent further by urinating. However, females usually mark without urinating and scent mark less frequently than males overall. Capybaras mate only in water, and if a female does not want to mate with a certain male, she either submerges or leaves the water. Dominant males are highly protective of the females, but they usually cannot prevent some of the subordinates from copulating.
Dominant males secure significantly more matings than each subordinate, but subordinate males, as a class, are responsible for more matings than each dominant male. Birth is on land and the female rejoins the group within a few hours of delivering the newborn capybaras, which join the group as soon as they are mobile. Within a week, the young can eat grass, but continue to suckle from any female in the group until weaned around 16 weeks. Capybaras are not considered a threatened species. Their population is stable throughout most of their South American range, though in some areas hunting has reduced their numbers. Capybaras are gentle and usually allow humans to pet and hand-feed them, but physical contact is normally discouraged, as their ticks can be vectors to Rocky Mountain spotted fever.
The meat is considered unsuitable to eat in some areas, while in other areas it is considered an important source of protein. In parts of South America, especially in Venezuela, capybara meat is popular during Lent and Holy Week, as the Catholic Church previously gave a special dispensation that allows for its consumption, while other meats are generally forbidden.